Okay, boom, back again with this quick updates because trust, if it's not further from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. My daddy suffer telling no what go on for not to go on, you see me? So, obviously, you know that Elaine Escoe has been arrested in Jamaica. She was on the FBI most wanted fraudster list. I think there was like 5 people on the list. They stole 1.8 billion US dollars, around those numbers. But nevertheless, VR crew stole 32 million US dollars. It's a mass. All of her co-defendants have been found guilty. Some accepted plea deals, some got found guilty, and got 235 months in prison. You know what I mean? Yeah, some ballpark numbers, them get 40 months, 60 months, and all of these things. But nevertheless, she was out on bail and she fled to Jamaica and got arrested. No, you can't press pause and read these court documents in front of you, but me just going to summarize what go on for to go on. The feds have been watching them since 2020 when the world they locked down. The 19 business is a master, and she and her crew. They filled out over 99 PPP loan applications. You see me, some people and them get through. You know, lie, them get through. You see me, because the feds got them lodging these checks into their personal bank accounts and, other people's bank account. Obviously, them receive a fee for that. And the checks them are like $50,000, $32,000, $60,000, $80,000. You know what I mean? And there's 8 pages of those documents. The feds got clocking, they every move. You see me, there's 5 people in the crew. So let's say they stole like 5 to 10 million, $8 million each, cost 32 million. I'm still doing the math on all of that, but whatever. I'm just giving them a quick update while going for that to go on. She's facing 20 years in jail for these charges. You see in front of you, the typical thing: money laundering, wire frauds, all of this stuff. You see what I say? And she's definitely wasting taxpayers' time because the feds had to use resources in locating her in Jamaica. I think they grabbed her in St. Mary. You see what I say? The boy them at Jamaica, all in that St. Mary. So she's going to get a lot of years for that one alone. You see what I say? So she got like 3 charges on this, and there's probably going to be more charges in the near future. Cause she's she just reach back and thing, but yeah, it's not a good look for the Jamaican people, man. You see what I'm saying? For bad things, and the Jamaicans want the worst thing. It's not a good look, especially when Jamaica positivity is on the rise. As you can see, a few, celebrities in Jamaica were involved in fraud, except for Chronicle and them thing there. But nevertheless, just to give them a quick update while I go on for that go on. If we get more information on, her, behavior while in Jamaica, we'll be sure to let you know. So do the right thing and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.